Vegas fly， 所以有特别活动。
对。
So yeah, remember on your dash to Vegas, you're probably spending a lot of money.
哦，今天有生日。
And I am a flight attendant. I am not a singer. So I'm going to sing this short song for you, Ashley. Okay, so it's just a regular not a flight attendant. So Ashley, this is for you. This is our birthday song, and it's not very long. I don't like that, Ashley. So on the count of three, we're going to sing happy birthday. I do not have a very good voice either, so we do need some help. So 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Quality about what's their luggage has. So Ashley will hold her money to Vegas. She's going to eat this crown and later.
所以如果你想要很丢脸的话，可以考虑，生日的时候来做 Southwest。人家确定你的名字，他们可以念的，他们可能不会选你。
所以是刚好生日才行。
对啊，因为对啊，他可能就看这个人生日。
太巧合了。今天11月19号。